Hello, lovely foster parents. In case you're struggling to register for the Christmas party, here's a quick tutorial to walk you through the steps. You can use the link that was sent to you in your email from Tracy Williamson, or you can go to the Facebook page and click on the event and then click on the link. So I'm going to do it from the Facebook page. Go ahead and click on the link, and then you'll have a new window open up. And then there's a big orange button that says register. Go ahead and click that. And then here it says family tickets. We're not actually scanning tickets at the party, but you still have to register for at least one ticket for your family. So make sure it says one there and then click continue. Then you're going to need your full name. So you could do the Smith family. And then you'll have to include your email address. So smith@family.com, for example. And then how many people will be there? Will it be, say I have 2 adults and 4 babies, then I would still put 6. The 4 babies still count for us. Then here, please enter all the children's names, ages, and genders. So baby 1 is a male, and he is 1 month old. Baby 2 is a female, and she is 1 year old. Oops, put 6 snuck in there. And then we have baby 3, which obviously we can't have 4 babies, so we'll just say baby's actually a toddler. He's a male and he's 3 years old. And then our 4th is also a boy, so baby 4 is 4 years old. Then you click register. Oh, and when it says baby 1, just their name, it's for their Christmas gift. Then click register, and then it says your registration has been successfully processed. They'll email you a ticket. You don't actually need the ticket, but you need to see this page to know that you've been registered. So once you've seen this page, you can go ahead and close out, and you're all done. Thanks for registering, and hope we see you then. Bye-bye, foster families.